Good day, please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm JJ Tamparong. I'm 44 years old. I'm married with three children, ages of 23, 22, and 17. I'm college level, the course of BSED.
Do you have work experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, sir, I have experience. And I have experience in Taiwan for 2 years.
Finish contact?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, how about second employer?
My second employer in Malaysia, 2 years.
Finish contact?
Yes, sir.
How about third employer?
My third employer in Hong Kong, 1 year and 6 months.
That means contract?
Not finished contract, sir. I give 1 month notice to my employer because my family needs my presence to sign the important documents because my mother needs to sell some property.
Okay, what are your duties and responsibilities in your previous employer?
My duties and responsibilities in my previous employer, taking care of the 2 children, ages of 7 years old and 4 years old. Cleaning the house, cooking, gardening, car washing, and ironing.
How about second employer?
My second employer in Malaysia, my duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning the house, ironing, gardening, car washing. And
Did you take care of the children in
yes,
Malaysia?
sir. I take care of the children, 1 children age of 11 years old.
And did you take care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
What the ages?
84 years old.
How about the adults?
And the adults, I take care of the adults of 5 ages of 54, 44, 27, 25, and 19.
Okay, how about third employer?
My third employer
In Taiwan?
in Taiwan, taking care of the newborn baby, the ages of 0 months, and 2 adults, age of 52 and 44.
Okay. Do you know how to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, sir, I know how to take care of the newborn
Please tell me
baby.
the way how to take care of the baby.
My way to take care of the newborn baby, I feed by milk, changing the diaper, take a bath, and changing clothes.
Okay, can you sing a song?
Yes, sir. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Who eating sugar? No, Papa. Telling a lies? No, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha, ha, ha.
Okay, that's good. Can you cook well?
Yes, sir.
Can you follow recipe book?
Yes, sir.
Can you describe your personal character attitudes?
My personal character attitude are hardworking, trustworthy, loyal, and honest.
How do you perform sa domestic helper?
I do prepare the food, cleaning the house, and taking care of your kids by my own, and I follow the rules and regulations of my employer, and I promise I finish my 2 years contract with you. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you so much.